Welcome to our review of the top 5 best dash cams of 2026, where innovation meets ultimate road safety. In this video, we'll explore the latest dash cams that deliver stunning video quality, smart AI features, and unbeatable reliability. Stay tuned till the end, because our top pick might just change how you record every journey forever. Let's dive into the future of driving technology. For more details and the latest prices, check the links in the description. Like our content? Hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update. Now, without further delay, let's dive into the video and explore our top picks. Number 5. The Vantrue N5S Dash Cam. A next-level 4-channel dash cam that gives you full 360 degrees coverage and ultimate driving protection. Let's see how it transforms your daily drives into a truly safe and smart experience. The Vantrue N5S offers unmatched 4-channel recording with 2.7K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1440p resolution. Whether you're on a city commute or a long road trip, it captures everything: front, back, sides, and even inside your car, ensuring zero blind spots and complete peace of mind. Thanks to STAR, VIS2 sensors and infrared lights, night footage looks crystal clear. Even in pitch darkness, you can easily identify faces and license plates. HDR/WDR processing prevents glare, making it ideal for nighttime or dim environments. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and OTA firmware updates, managing your videos is easier than ever. The Vantrue app lets you preview, share, and store footage instantly. Its buffered parking mode records motion or impacts around your vehicle, even when it's off. Perfect for added security and insurance claims. Voice control keeps your focus on driving. Simply say commands to record or take photos, and enjoy up to 1 TB storage for endless footage. The Vantrue N5S isn't just a dash cam, it's a full security system on wheels. Reliable, smart, and powerful. Your car deserves this protection. Number 4. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 Dash Cam. The dash cam that's smaller than your car key but packed with incredible power. Let's see how this tiny device delivers huge on-road protection. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is unbelievably small, almost invisible behind your rearview mirror. Its discreet design keeps your windshield clear while automatically recording every moment. Whether you're driving through sunshine or at night, this camera quietly captures everything, giving you peace of mind without taking up space. Don't let its size fool you. The Mini 3 records in full 108p HD with a wide 140 degrees field of view. It captures every detail, from license plates to road signs, even in low light. And thanks to Garmin's Clarity Polarizer lens, annoying windshield glare is dramatically reduced. With Garmin's Online Vault, you don't have to worry about managing large files. Important clips are automatically uploaded and securely stored. Using the Garmin Drive app, you can easily view, download, or share your recordings. Premium users even get access to live view features for real-time monitoring. Voice control makes driving safer and simpler. Just say a command to save a video or start recording. No button pressing required. Available in multiple languages, this feature keeps your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, making your driving experience seamless and smart. When your car's parked, the Mini 3 keeps watch. The parking guard feature sends alerts to your phone if an incident occurs. You can even check live footage remotely through the app. Built tough to handle heat and sunlight, it's the perfect companion for any driving condition. Compact, smart, and incredibly reliable, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 proves that great things come in small packages. Protect your journey effortlessly with this powerful, pocket-sized guardian on your windshield. Number 3. The Miofive S1 Ultra Dashcam. A premium dual 4K dashcam designed for those who want the best image quality, advanced features, and peace of mind on the road. Let's dive right in. The Miofive S1 Ultra captures every drive in breathtaking detail. With 4K front and 4K rear recording, plus wide 140 degrees and 112 degrees viewing angles, it covers every corner of your journey. HDR and super night vision ensure crisp footage, even in low light or nighttime conditions. This dashcam goes beyond recording. Its GPS tracks speed, location, and route, while built-in Wi-Fi and the Miofive app let you instantly view or share footage right from your smartphone. It's perfect for quick access or sending clips to insurance or friends. With automatic loop recording, your storage never runs out. The intelligent G sensor detects collisions or impacts, instantly locking those clips so they can't be deleted. This ensures your most crucial moments stay safely stored and protected. When paired with the wiring kit, the Miofive S1 Ultra's time-lapse mode provides constant surveillance. Even when your car is off, it keeps watch, recording everything that happens around your vehicle for complete peace of mind, day and night. Built with an upgraded supercapacitor, it performs reliably in extreme temperatures. No battery swelling or overheating. Plus, with an 18-month warranty and lifetime technical support, Miofive ensures you're completely covered. Overall, the Miofive S1 Ultra Dashcam combines cutting-edge 4K recording, safety, and smart connectivity in one sleek package. If you're serious about road safety and video clarity, this dashcam is definitely worth checking out. Number 2. The Nextbase 622GW Dashcam. With its 4K recording, rear camera, and built-in Alexa, this gadget is built to give you total driving confidence and crystal-clear footage. The Nextbase 622GW records in breathtaking 4K resolution, offering incredible clarity and detail. Its 140 degrees wide-angle lens ensures you capture every corner of the road. Whether it's day or night, your drives are documented with sharp visuals, perfect for safety and peace of mind. This bundle includes a rear window camera that records what's happening behind you, providing full coverage. With the included 256GB micro SD card, you'll have tons of storage for your trips without worrying about running out of space anytime soon. Bumpy roads or foggy mornings? No problem. The digital image stabilization keeps your footage smooth and clear. Plus, the extreme weather mode enhances visibility, defogging your recordings even in harsh conditions for reliable results. The super slow motion mode captures every crucial moment in 1080p at 120 FPS, helping identify important details. And thanks to dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi, transferring footage to your phone is lightning fast. No more waiting endlessly for downloads. Stay hands-free with Alexa. Ask for directions, play music, or control smart home devices, all while keeping your focus on driving. This feature makes the 622GW more than just a dashcam. It's your smart co-pilot on the road. The Nextbase 622GW dashcam is packed with premium features that make every journey safer and smarter. From 4K recording to Alexa integration, it's the ultimate companion for drivers who want cutting-edge performance. Number 1. The Viofo A329S Dashcam. A powerful 3-channel camera system that gives you complete coverage in and around your car. From 4K clarity to next-gen features, this dashcam redefines road safety. The Viofo A329S captures every detail with 4K front, 2K interior, and 2K rear recording. Its 210 degrees fisheye lens covers your entire cabin, making it perfect for rideshare drivers or family trips. Whether it's day or night, you'll get crystal clear footage of every license plate and road sign. Equipped with 3 STARVIS2 sensors, this dashcam delivers unmatched clarity even in low light. The front sensor reduces motion blur, while the rear and cabin sensors capture sharp details with a wider dynamic range. No matter the lighting, your footage stays smooth and perfectly balanced. When parked, the A329S activates its ultra-low power parking mode. If an impact occurs, it instantly begins recording to capture the incident. This feature ensures your vehicle stays protected without draining your battery, giving you peace of mind even when you're away. Powered by Wi-Fi 6, transferring videos is super quick. A 1-minute 4K clip downloads in under 10 seconds. Plus, with support for up to 4 TB SSD or 512 GB micro SD cards, you can store weeks of footage without worrying about overwriting. Stay focused on driving with voice commands to start or stop recording hands-free. Built-in GPS tracks your speed, route, and location, adding an extra layer of protection. The included corporal filter also reduces glare, ensuring your videos look sharp and cinematic. The Viofo A329S Dashcam is a complete driving companion, offering clarity, convenience, and confidence on every journey. If you value safety, quality, and smart tech, this dashcam is worth every penny. Thanks for watching our dashcams of 2025. Each of these models offers advanced features, crystal clear footage, and reliable protection on the road. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. Check the links in the description to learn more. or grab your favorite dashcam today.